In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display section available here. Then scroll a tiny bit more, just to tap on Display Size and Text. And when you're ready, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. Then go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!